long walk. We haven't been here for a long time, 5 weeks. So I'll see if it makes a difference. It's a bit blurry. Got here a bit late, so we managed to find a bait digger and get a couple of score of lug off him. We were going to dig, but the tide was coming in, so we managed to scrounge a couple. We've got a couple of frozen score as well, so we're going to mix the two. I'm with Aram. There we are, there he is. We're going to get up the other end, get set up, hopefully start catching some fish straight away as the tide starts flooding in. Let's see how we get on. Right, so we've come up to the signs. The signs, no entry signs at Sandwich, and the ground where we normally fish right in front of these signs, sort of just before we can't go any further. But it's a bit featureless here now. The sand's moved about a bit. There's not much of a sandbar. There's this little thin sort of trough running through close in. But where we left our gear, towards where Aram's heading, which is another 400 metres back, there's this really wide, deep gully right close in. So that's probably about 20 yards at high, 25 yards at high, and then we can go over the sandbar, which is a bit bigger here, with an off the ground, which is probably about 90 yards. Oh, as I nearly trip over. So it gives us the option of fishing two quite prominent features. So we're going to fish here. Tide's coming in now, so we're going to get set up, and once it hits that sandbar where these people are, once it hits that bottom of that sandbar, we're going to start casting, see what we can get. Right, so here's what we are both fishing with. It's a long range rig, so that's just one long hook snood there, coming down with an SRT spring to keep it tensioned. That's about 2.5 foot long, down to a 150 impact net. And then bait wise, as I mentioned, we've just managed to get 2 score of fresh sheet pumped worms. We had some frozen, so what I've done is I've threaded a frozen on the top end first, then I've threaded the fresh lug on there, and then I've tipped it off with a squid head. So it's quite a decent sized bait. I think Aram's doing the same. Aram hasn't got squid on his. Let's have a look. Yeah, oh yeah, yeah, he has got a bit of squid, so yeah, same on Aram, same rig. He's going with a 130 breakaway, and then he's got a mixture of frozen, fresh, and a bit of squid.
Do you know why I'm going with 130 though?
Oh, here we go. Go on, tell us why you're going with 130. You have more finesse. Right, okay. Do you know why I'm going with 150? Because my hook's blunt and I need more weight for
the fish to get hooked.
For the fish to get hooked.
Good logic, good logic. my hook's pretty sharp.
My hook's not blunt, by the way. I do sharpen them and clean them up. There's one point though. One point, when you agree with that, I wouldn't, whether your hooks feel a bit blunt or anything, clean them up, give them a little sharpen. I wouldn't change hooks every session.
No,
that's not necessary.
High carbon steel hooks, so they're not going to rust through unless it's 2 years old. So no one keeps hooks that are 2 years old, but I think a rig is good enough for 5-6 sessions.
Yeah, just keep the hook clean it off.
If you're using fluorocarbon anyway, you can always straighten it, so your presentation's going to be good. Check the tip of the hook, and if it's not sharp enough, gentle touch with the sharpener, that's all you need.
There we are. See? That's it. We don't need to change hooks every session. I think it's a little bit of a faff doing that, and hooks cost money. I don't think they've been manufactured just to last one session, so we give our little hooks a sharpen now and again, and then after 5-6 sessions the rigs tend to be knackered anyway. Anyway, we're going to get these out shortly. Oh, Aram's always...
I may go down and try a cheeky cast.
He's going to try a cheeky cast. I think I might too. Let's see. Yeah. Well, don't know now. Well, I don't know, mate. I think it's gone. Where are you? Come on, please be there. See a keeper? Might be a keeper here. Whew. Oh.
We are, first cast, and Greg's into a bass already. Nice one, mate. First bass of the session. Yet again, the first cast, and
Does it, doesn't it?
yeah, and there's hardly any depth, but the fish are there. Nice one, mate.
Feels alright. Oh, it's just come off, is it? No. Oh, it's foul hooked. That's why he felt decent. Let's try and get him back. Foul hooked. Off we go. That's it, isn't it?
That's in, yeah.
Good fish. It feels it coming over that ledge though, doesn't it? Here we are, Aram's just had a decent bite. I've started to drop short and they're not in short yet, they're still out at range, so Aram's been going at range and he's got a nice bite here, might have a decent fish on. Your bail arms needs tightening, mate.
Keeping it loose on purpose, mate.
Oh yeah?
It's just not wanting to turn.
It's a bit unusual.
Oh!
What?
No, I thought it'd come off, but it just turned very quick.
Let's hope it's decent. Where is he, mate? Here he comes. Oh, is he foul hooked? Oh! Huh. That is a big eel. He's a fat eel.
That is a big eel.
Yeah, from the sea, that's quite a big eel. Yes.
That's the biggest eel we've seen from here, sure.
Yeah. It really is, mate. And lip hook, mate, well done. Good luck. We'll leave him to it. Oh. teamwork.
Might as well film the release.
Well, might as well, mate, as I'm here.
It's a good eel, huh?
That is a good eel, mate. Yeah, it's a little fatty. What's that, £1?
Yeah. There you go, mate. That way. Other way.
There he goes. Off he goes. Lovely.
Bye, Mr. Eel.
Well, that doesn't entice me to go long again. I think I'll stay short. Well done, mate. Yeah. Aram's just had a decent bite. He's gone short. I wasn't getting anything short, so I went long, and now he's just had the bite. So they've obviously come in, and it looks like a very good bass. Looks like a very good bass, mate. That is a very good bass, mate. I think that's a keeper, mate. That is a keeper, yeah, look at that.
You got that?
That is nice, mate. Come on, mate. Come on. Yeah!
Nice one, mate.
Here we go. Woohoo! That'll do, that's a keeper.
We're eating bass.
We're eating bass tonight.
You want a picture?
We'll do once I've sorted it.
Fucking told you, right behind here.
Bit short this time, and I.
No, you're longer.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, fair enough.
There. Where it's rolling now.
Oh, right, fair enough. Right, well, I thought I was videoing that and didn't video any of it. Aram's just had a stonking bite, and this came out. It's not that big, but he's did bend double. It's been quiet for about 40 minutes. But at least now we've had a bite, and hopefully we'll get a few more. Well done, mate. Better than nothing, isn't it?
Better than nothing, mate. After such a quiet spell, considering it started so well.
Yeah, we were starting to fall asleep, weren't we?
Yeah.
Right, I'll let you
Deal with the hook.
unhook that and put that back.
Yep.
Well done, mate.
Go. You still got it on? Coming in, yeah?
Yeah. It feels like there's a bit of weight there.
Yeah, I think it's a good one. Yeah, it's a good one.
One up on that wave, come on. Yeah, that's it. Nice.
Oh, hanging by a thread.
Hanging by a thread. I'll take him anyway.
Nice one, mate.
Yeah, cheers, mate. Hey. Right, we're about, what are we, about an hour and a bit down? Yeah. Hour and a half down. This is going to be our last cast. Let's see if we get anything on the last cast. What's come off and on? Fix that. Warm through the bottom of my back grip. Yeah, you got one?
It put on a show, but now there's just no bend on the rod, so it's either running in very fast or it's not as big as we thought, or he lost it. Yeah, he's lost it. He's got a wormfish. He's got a dangly wormfish.
That's a good boy.
Unlucky, mate.
Ah. Alright, get this out. That's what I'm doing. I'll soon get them off the water. Well, bye-bye squid head. What's going on here? That's actually really annoyed me, even though I've had fish.
Oh, black loader.
Right. Oh, have you got it? Yeah, he's got it. I was just about to come on camera, just filming, because I've just lost a decent fish. But now Aram's got one, so I'm annoyed because I lost a decent fish, and now Aram's hooked a decent one. Decent?
Yeah.
Good. Just keeping an eye on my rod, mate.
Running in so fast, man.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, it's not been a bad session today. And the last cast was about 2 casts ago. And there's probably going to be another cast after this. Let's have a look.
Oh yeah, it's a cracking fish.
Cracking fish we got coming here then. Yeah, he's a good fish, mate. Very good fish. Well done, mate. Yeah.
Yes!
He's a very big fish.
Oh yes, baby.
Same as your first, isn't he?
Yep.
Well done, mate.
248. Oh yeah. Let's have him clean.
To be honest, mate, I don't mind you paying your way with fish. It's all good.
Is it all good?
It's
mate?
all good, paying your way with fish.
Ah, that was well played, Aram. Stay tight on him. Lip hooked.
Don't lose him, mate.
Clean him.
Wants to clean him off.
Oh,
That'll do. That'll do.
Oh yeah, look at the width on him.
Oh, there's a lovely fish there. We'll just get a photo in a minute. Well done, mate. Look at that.
Photo now.
Yeah.
Is it clean enough?
Right, just started the video, Aram. So you ready to release that bass, yeah? We're going to put that one back.
Let me think hard about this one. Am I going to release it? I like eating fish. I love eating fish. I love eating my own caught fish. I caught fish. No, I think the answer is I'm not going to release it.
That was a waste of 20 seconds, wasn't it?
What?
Could have just said no. Nice fish, mate, nice fish. There's Aram laughing away to himself because he's caught a fish and now he's really excited. I'm really off because I love oh, I can't swear.
You lost a popping fish. You lost a popping
I'll cut it.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I lost a fish, a big fish. Then Aram had a decent fish. Last cast was 2 casts ago. We're having another last cast now. So this probably is the last cast. We'll see how it goes. Right, come on. Don't come unclipped. Fly to the infinity. Nice. Didn't come unclipped.
Nice, mate. Nice.
Nice. Come on.
Right, last cast of the session. Let's hope he doesn't lose this one, because the cast before this he had a nice fish on and it come off. He deserves this one. Let's just hope it stays on. I've had two nice bass, 248s. Greg's had a nice bass, nice keeper. Hopefully this is his second, and hopefully we can have a picture with 2 bass each for you guys. Come on, stay on fish, stay on fish, stay on fish. Yes! Yes, nice one, mate.
Yep.
Keep him clean, keep him clean. Lift him up. Got it? There you go, mate.
Well done, mate. There's a nice fish.
Nice one.
Ooh.
Right, that's our picture with 2 bass each, mate.
Yeah.
Nice one.
Lovely. Cheers, mate. Well, I've just brought my rod in because I just had that fish. Just packing up, and Aram's rod's just gone in, so we're going to see this one. It's a good fish. It's a very good fish. Cannot see him at the moment. Let's have a look, mate. Good fish, is it, mate? There he comes. Nice bass coming out there. Well done, mate. Another nice bass. Oh, well done, mate. Get this one on because we're at the quota. We'll get this one back, yeah?
Yeah, okay, mate.
Right, mate. Right, let's get him unhooked. And we're
Nice bit of silver bar there, mate.
oh, wet feet. Wet feet. And he's gone. Has he gone? Yep, he's kicked and gone.
Yep.
Well done, mate. Right, we've come to the end of the session. It was a bit blowy, so let's get out of the wind.
4 o'clock.
It's 4, yeah, half 4 I think it is, so we are over 2.5 hours down. Really good session. We've got 4 keepers. We've put, how many did we put back?
We put back 6 bass
and an eel.
Put back an eel.
Yeah, put back 6 bass, kept 4, and put back an eel as well. So not a bad session for middle of the day in September. It was good, wasn't it, mate? You enjoyed it?
I loved it, mate. I loved it. Really happy with the stamp of the fish today. It's been pretty entertaining. Not too long between bites. Not too long. Longest we had to wait was what, 40 minutes?
Yeah, about that. About that.
pretty good session. Really loved it. Beautiful weather, beautiful place. Shame about the company.
There was no place caught at all, mate. It was just bass.
I'm so glad you didn't hear the last part I said.
Oh, I totally skimmed over that bit. Didn't worry about it.
Oh, okay. That's probably better.
Good.
Yeah.
Right. Anyway, we got the long and arduous walk back to the car. Another 40 minutes. So we're packing up our gear now, and we're off. Till next time. Tight lines, and please subscribe if you like these videos. All the subscriptions to my page help.